Don Luke Electronics. The Alpha Geek, geeking out. If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Project number 22, Synthesizer, Slide Linear Taper Pot, Mk08. 10 ohm slide linear taper pot, X large. A simple slide potentiometer can go a long way. Rated at 10 ohm and 0.5 W. Comes with solder tap connections. The taper profile for this slide. Length, 80 centimeters. Width, 15 centimeters. Height, 12 centimeters. Slide potentiometer knob, X large. This is a simple knob that connects to the extra large sized linear slide potentiometer. Each knob uses friction to secure itself to fit onto the slide pot. Once attached, this small knob provides you with an easier to use potentiometer for your project. Adafruit Metro M0 Express. Metro is our series of microcontroller boards for use with the Arduino IDE. This new Metro M0 Express board looks a whole lot like our original Metro 328, but with a huge upgrade. This Metro features an ADSR 21G18 chip, an ARM Cortex M0 Plus. At the Metro M0's heart is an ADSR 21G18 ARM Cortex M0 processor, clocked at 48 MHz and at 3.3 V logic. This chip has a 256K of flash and 32K of RAM. This chip comes with built-in USBs, so it has USB to serial program.
Hi. Now the synthesizer. Now the Metro Express here and pots here. And that's it. Now the synth here is good, and the parts here, and see the here. Now the synth after this good, and buttons and this and jack and this and C after. Now the synthesizer and pots here. Metro Express here, pins here, and blue, gray, green, gray, yellow, purple here, the project here, and pots here, and this ground here, this power, and the pots here for this is version, and this pots here, and that's it, and 1 second, and that's it. The pots here, the value here, and map here for integer here, 1 and 2, and the map here because the Mozzi here for this. So good. Set up the serial, and that's it. Now this here, this and good. So here and here, here and here, good. this, go to check the Metro Express here and see. Now the serial here. This is good. Perfect. This perfect. 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 So now the Mozzi, the sense and here, and go here. And change the pitch or whatever. Perfect. Bye-bye.
Don Luke Electronics. https://www.jlpconsultants.com/luc. JLP Consultants. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram.